Hello everyone, I warmly welcome to JKL Maths. I am Lakshmikant. Today I am going to explain about application of trigonometry, exercise 12.2, first problem. A TV tower stands vertically on the side of a road from a point on the other side directly opposite to the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From another point 10 meters away from this point, on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and width of the road. Now draw a figure from the question. Draw one vertical line. Here the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From this point 10 meters away, the angle of elevation 30 degrees. Write the names of vertices now. Here we need to find height of the tower h, and here width of the road CD. We assume x meters. Here h meters. Now write the given data. Let AD is equal to height of the tower is equal to h meters. Here CD is equal to width of the road is equal to x meters. BC is equal to 10 meters. Angle ACD 60 degrees. Angle ABD 30 degrees. First we take triangle ACD. Here we take tan ratio. Tan 60 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, h by x. Theta is here 60. Opposite side h, adjacent side x. Tan 60 is root 3, h by x. We assume this one is equation number 1. In triangle ABD, this one we take ABD. Here also we take tan ratio. Tan, here angle ABD. Angle ABD how much? 30 degrees. Opposite side is h. Adjacent side x plus 10. See here AD by here BD. From here to here BD x plus 10 meters. Tan 30 is equal to tan 30 how much value? 1 by root 3. Here h by x plus 10. Here in equation 1 where there h is equal to x root 3. This is the equation number 1. Just do cross multiplication. Now here also do cross multiplication. X plus 10 is equal to h root 3. Here x plus 10 by transpose root 3 from RHS to LHS. It will divide. Here h. We can write h is equal to x plus 10 root 3. Take it as equation number 2 from equation 1 and equation 2. Here LHS side are equal, so RHS also equal. X root 3 is equal to x plus 10 by root 3. Now transpose root 3 from RHS to LHS. Then x root 3 into root 3 is equal to x plus 10. Root 3 into root 3, 3 into x, 3x is equal to x plus 10. Transpose x from RHS to LHS. Then 3x minus x is equal to 10. 3x minus x, 2x is equal to 10. Here 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. Then we get x is equal to 5. This is x value. Substitute x value in equation 1. Then h is equal to 5 root 3. Therefore, height of the tower is 5 root 3. Width of the road is 5 meters. A 1.5 meter tall boy is looking at the top of the temple, which is 30 meters height. From a point at certain distance, the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the crown of the temple increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees. Here angle of elevation is from boy's eyes. As he walks towards the temple, find the distance he walked towards the temple. Now we need to find the distance he walked from 30 degrees to 60 degrees. Now draw a figure. Now draw two vertical lines. This line we assume length of the temple. This line we assume length of the boy. We join bottom of these two lines. This is the surface. Length of the temple is 30 meters. Length of the boy is 1.5 meters. Here we keep the names A, B, here C, D. Now draw a one horizontal line parallel to AC. Here we write the name as E. B is parallel to AC. Here AB is parallel to EC, and opposite sides are, this look like rectangle, so opposite sides are equal. So here EC is 1.5 centimeters. Here EC is 1.5 centimeters. Then ED is equal to 28.5. Here 30 minus 1.5 is equal to 28.5. From starting point, angle of elevation from boy's eyes to the top of the temple is angle of elevation 30 degrees. Now boy walked some distance. Suppose he walked from B to and he stopped here. Now angle of elevation from boy's eyes to the top of the temple is 60 degrees. Now draw one line. Now here 60 degrees. Now write the given data. Let AB is equal to height of the boy is 1.5 meters. Here CD is the height of the temple is 30 meters. Angle DBE is equal to 30 degrees. Angle DFE is 60 degrees. Here DE, length of DE is equal to CD minus CE is equal to 30 minus 1.5 is equal to 28.5. Here we take angle of elevation from B. Why do we take? Why? Because angle of elevation is from boy's eyes. So we take from B. Otherwise, if in the question angle of elevation from boy's foot, then we take angle of elevation is from A. I think you understand the question. Here we need to find the distance of BF. For that we take first triangle DBE. Here we have opposite side for the angle 30 degrees. We need to find adjacent side. So we will use tan ratio. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta is equal to opposite side of angle B is by adjacent side of angle B is equal to DE by BE. Here theta is 30 degrees. Tan 30 is equal to, here DE is 28.5 meters. Here BE, we need to find the BE. So write BE as it is. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to 28.5 by BE. Here do cross multiplication, then you will get BE is BE into 1 BE. Here 28.5 into root 3, 28.5 root 3. Now take triangle DFE. Triangle, in triangle DFE also angle 60 degrees, opposite side is 28.5. We need to find the adjacent side. For that we use tan ratio. We know that tan theta is equal to opposite side of angle, here angle F, adjacent side of angle F. Tan 60 degrees is equal to DF by DE by FE. Tan 60 is root 3. Here DE is 28.5 meters. FE we don't know, right, as it is. Do cross multiplication, then FE transpose FE from RHS to LHS. Now this root 3 transpose from LHS to RHS, then it will divide 28.5 by root 3. Now we know the length of BE and FE. Now we need to find length of BF. For that BF is equal to BE minus FE. Then we will get BF value. Now substitute here BE, FE in this equation. BE is 28.5 root 3 minus FE 28.5 by root 3. Now take common 28.5. Then 28.5 here root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Then 28.5 here into root 3 into root 3. 3 minus 1 by, in the denominator is root 3. Now 28.5, 3 minus 1, 2 by root 3. In the denominator irrational number is there, so we multiply root 3. Here denominator value is root 3, so we multiply root 3 and divide with root 3. Then root 3 by root 3. Suppose if there is root 5, then also we multiply root 5 multiply with root 5 and divide with root 5. Here 28.5, 2 into root 3, 2 root 3. Here root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 1 ja, 3 9 ja, 27. 28 minus 27, 1. Remaining is 1. Here point 1 5, 15. 3 5 ja, 15. So write the remaining values. 9.5 into 2 root 3. 2 into 9.5, 19 root 3. We know the root 3 value 1.732. 19 into 1.732 is equal to 32.908 meters. Here BF is 32.908. Here he walked distance from B to F is 32.908. Therefore the boy walked 32.908 meters. A statue stands on the top of 2-meter tall pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Find the height of the statue. Here we have pedestal height 2 meters and angle of elevation top of the statue is 60 degrees and angle of elevation top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. We need to find the height of the statue. Now draw the figure. Draw one vertical line. This vertical line we assume pedestal. This is length of this pedestal is 2 meters. Now keep one statue on pedestal. We assume this is the statue. We keep on pedestal. Now angle of elevation to the top of the statue is 60 degrees. We draw from here to here. Now this angle is 60 degrees. Now second, angle of elevation from this point to top of the pedestal. Here angle is 30 degrees. Now keep the names. These vertices. Here A, B, C, here D. Now write the given data. Sorry, here angle is 45 degrees. Here angle is 45 degrees. I wrote 30, sorry, this is 45 degrees. In the question we need to find the height of the statue AD. So for that, first of all we need to find the adjacent side of CB length. Here we take triangle DCB. For that, for angle 45 degrees we have opposite side 2 meters and we need to find the adjacent side. For that we use tan ratio. In triangle DCB, theta is 45 degrees. So tan 45 is equal to, here dB is 2 meters. So write here 2. We need to find the CB. Write CB. Here tan 45 value is 1. 2 by CB. Now transpose CB from RHS to LHS. Then 1 into CB. CB is equal to 2 meters. Here CB value is 2 meters. Now we take the triangle ACB. Here we assume AD is X. In triangle ACB, here tan, here ACB is 60 degrees. Opposite side AB by adjacent side CB. Tan 60 is √3. Here we don't know the AB. Here AB is 2 plus X. CB 2. Now transpose 2 from RHS to LHS. Then here 2 into √3. 2 plus X. Transpose 2 from RHS to LHS. This will be do subtraction. Here 2 √3 we write minus 2. Just I wrote RHS value in LHS, LHS value in RHS. So we found the height of the statue 2 √3 minus 2. Here take 2 common, √3 minus 1. We know the value of √3. 2 into √3 value is 1.732 minus 1. Here 2 into 1 minus 732 minus 1 is 0.732. Multiply 2 into 0.732. Then we will get 1.464 meters. This is the length of statue. Therefore, height of the statue is 1.464 meters. Fourth question. From top of a building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cell tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression to its foot is 45 degrees. If the distance of the building from the tower is 7 meters, then find the height of the tower. Draw a figure from the given question. Draw two vertical lines. This vertical line we assume building, this vertical line we assume tower. Here keep name A, B, this one is C, D. Join AC. Here angle of elevation and angle of depression is from top of the building. So draw one horizontal line parallel to AC. Here we keep name as E. Now angle of elevation from top of the building to top of the tower is 60 degrees from here, from B. Here 60 degrees. Now from top of the building, angle of depression from top of the building to foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Draw one line from B to C. Now angle of depression is 45 degrees. Now distance between building and tower is 7 meters. Here we need to find the height of the tower, which is CD. we assume DE length is h and EC length is x. Now write the given data. Let AB is equal to height of the building is x meters. Here now CD is equal to height of the tower is x plus h. AC is equal to distance between the building and tower is 7 meters. Now AB is equal to EC. Here opposite sides are equal. It looks like rectangle. So opposite sides are equal. X meters. Now same BE is equal to AC is equal to 7 meters. Here also opposite sides are equal. Here DE is equal to h meters. Now triangle CBEA. Here two parallel lines. This is the transversal line. Here alternate interior angles are equal. In the same way BE and AC are parallel line. BC is a transversal. So here this is also 45. Angle C also 45 degrees. Here 45 degrees. For the angle 45 degrees we have adjacent side and we need to find the opposite side. Here we use tan ratio to find the opposite side. Tan theta is equal to opposite side of angle C by adjacent side of angle C is equal to AB by AC. Here theta is 45 degrees. So tan 45 is equal to, here AB x, AC 7. Now tan 45 is 1, x by 7. Now transpose 7 from RHS to LHS. This will multiply. 1 into 7 is equal to x. We can write x is equal to 7 1 ja 7. This is the height of the building. And also EC length 7 meters. Now take triangle DBE. Here angle is 60 degrees. So tan 60 degrees. For tan 60 degrees opposite side is h and adjacent side is 7 meters, which is BE. Otherwise you write like this, DE by BE. Tan 60 is root 3. Here DE value is h. We take DE h. BE is 7 meters. Now transpose 7 from RHS to LHS. Then it will multiply LHS value. Here 7 into root 3, 7 root 3 is equal to h. We can write h is equal to 7 root 3, which is DE length. DE is equal to 7 root 3. Here height of the tower x plus h. Here x is 7, h is 7 root 3. Now take common 7, then 1 plus root 3. We know the root 3 value. 7 into 1 plus 1.732. Here 7 into 1 plus 1.732 is 2.732. Here value is, if you multiply 7 into 2.732, then we will get 19.124 meters. Therefore height of the tower is 19.124. A wire length is 18 meters had been tied with electric pole at an angle of elevation 30 degrees with the ground. Because it was covering a long distance, it was cut and tied at an angle of elevation 60 degrees with the ground. How much length of the wire was cut? Now we draw a figure to solve the question. To draw one vertical line, we assume this is the electric pole. This electric pole tied with a rope at the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. 30 degrees. This rope is covering long distance, so we cut some rope and we tied here. Now angle of elevation to the tower is electric pole is 60 degrees. Now angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Now keep the names to the vertices A, B, C. This one is D. Initial rope length is 18 meters. We assume AB length is H. Here AD length is X. Now write the given data. Here AB is equal to height of the electric pole H meters and AC is equal to length of wire before cut 18 meters. AD length of wire after cut is X meters. Now angle of ACB is equal to 30 degrees. Angle of ADB is equal to 60 degrees. Now take triangle ACB. For the angle 30 degrees we have hypotenuse and we need to find the opposite side. For that we take sine ratio. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Here theta value is 30 degrees. So sine 30 is equal to, here opposite side of angle 30 degrees is H and hypotenuse is 18. Sine 30 degrees is value is 1 by 2. Here H is equal to 18. Now cancel 2 1 ja 2 9 ja. Now do cross multiplication. Then 1 into 9 H into 1 H. We can write H is equal to 9 1 ja 9. This is the height of the pole. Here H is equal to 9 meters. Now we can find X value by using sine ratio. Take triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, here also for 60 degrees opposite side we have 9 meters and we need to find hypotenuse. We use sine ratio. Sin theta is equal to opposite side of 60 degrees. So here we take sin theta is equal to AB by AD. Sin theta value is 60 degrees. Here AB is 9. We don't know AD. So here we assume X meters. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Here 9 by X. Do cross multiplication. Here root 3 into X. 9 into 2. Transpose root 3 from LHS to RHS. Then X is equal to 9 2 ja 18. Here write root 3. In the denominator root 3 value na. So rationalize the root 3. Then now multiply root 3 divide with root 3. Then X is equal to 18 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 3. Now cancel 3 1 ja 3 6 ja. So X is equal to 6 root 3. Here we need to find how much length of wire cut. For that we take AC minus AD. Then we will get the answer. Here we know AC. AC is 18. AD is 6 root 3. Here we know the root 3 value. So write 18 minus 6 into root 3 value is 1.732. Now multiply 6 into 1.732. Then 18 minus 10.392. Now subtract 18 minus 10.392. Then we get 7.608 meters. This is the answer. Sixth question. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. If the tower is 30 meters height, find the height of the building. Now draw a figure. Draw two vertical lines. This vertical line we assume building and this vertical line we assume tower. Now write the names of these vertical lines. This is AB. This is CD. Now join BD. Now length of the tower is 30 meters. Now angle of elevation from foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Join AD. Here angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Now angle of elevation top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. Here 60 degrees. Now join BC. Here 60 degrees. Now we need to find the height of the building. So we assume AB is x meters. Now write the given points. Let AB is equal to height of building x meters and CD is equal to height of tower 30 meters. Angle ADB is equal to 30 degrees. Angle CBD is equal to 60 degrees. Now take triangle CBD. Here we have for angle 60 degrees opposite side and we need to find BD. For that we take tan ratio. Tan theta opposite side by adjacent side is equal to CD by DB. Here theta value is 60 degrees. Here CD 30 meters and BD we assume Y. Tan 60 is root 3, 30 by Y. Now do cross multiplication. Here transpose Y from RHS to LHS, then it will be Y root 3 is equal to 30. Transpose root 3 from LHS to RHS, then it will be 30 by root 3. In the denominator root 3 value is there now, so rationalize the root 3. For that multiply root 3 and divide root 3. So y is equal to 30 root 3 by root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 1 ja, 3 10 ja. Here y is equal to 10 root 3. Here triangle CBD. Now triangle ABD. The triangle ADB, for the angle 30 degrees we have adjacent side. We need to find the opposite side. So we will use tan ratio. Here theta is 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees is equal to AB by BD. Here tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Here AB x and BD 10 root 3. Here root 3 cancel. So now transpose 10 from RHS to LHS, then it will be 1 into 10 is equal to x. 1 10 ja 10 is equal to x. Therefore height of the building is equal to 10 meters. 7th question. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 120 feet wide. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. Here we need to find two values. First one is height and other one is the distance of point from the two poles. Now draw a figure. Now to draw vertical lines of equal length. These vertical lengths keep name as A, B, here C, D. Now join AC. This is the surface. From this point, angle of elevation to two poles. Here first angle is 60 degrees. Second angle is 30 degrees. Length is 120 feet wide. We assume length of the pole is H. Both are equal now, so here H. Now keep this point name as E. Here AE length is, we assume x feet. Then EC length will be 120 minus x feet. Now write the given data. Let height of the two poles AB is equal to CD is equal to H feet. Distance between two poles is 120 feet. Here AE is equal to x feet we assume. Then EC is equal to 120 minus x feet. Here angle BEA is equal to 60 degrees. Angle DEC is equal to 30 degrees. Now take triangle ABE. In triangle AEB, we assume here adjacent side and opposite side. For the angle 60, we have opposite side and adjacent side. So we take tan ratio. Tan theta is equal to AB by AE. Here theta is 60 degrees. Here AB H AE x. Tan 60 is value is root 3. So H by x. Now transpose x from RHS to LHS. Then it will multiply RHS. X into root 3 is equal to H. We can write H is equal to x root 3. This is the equation number 1. In triangle DEC, here for the angle 30 degrees, we have opposite side and adjacent side. So we take tan ratio. Here theta value is 30 degrees. Tan 30 is equal to, here DC is H, EC is 120 minus x. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Here H by 120 minus x. Now do cross multiplication. Then 1 into 120 minus x is 120 minus x. Here H root 3. We can write H root 3 as H root 3 is equal to 120 minus x. Now transpose root 3 from LHS to RHS. Then it will divide RHS. 120 minus x by root 3. This is the equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, LHS sides are equal. So RHS also equal. So we can write x root 3 is equal to 120 minus x by root 3. Now transpose root 3 from RHS to LHS. Then it will multiply LHS. X root 3 into root 3 is equal to 120 minus x. Then root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 into x, 3x. Here 120 minus x. Here now transpose this minus x from RHS to LHS. Then it will be do addition. 3x plus x is equal to 120. 3x plus x, 4x is equal to 120. Transpose 4 from LHS to RHS. Then it will divide RHS. 120 by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 30 ja. We got x is equal to 30. Therefore height of the pole h is equal to root 3x. From equation 1, here h is equal to root 3, x value is 30. So here 30 root 3 is the height of the pole. We know root 3 value. 30 into 1.732. So we will get 51.960 feet. H is equal to 51.960 feet. Distance of points from poles are x is equal to 30 feet and 120 minus x is equal to 120 minus 30 is equal to 90 feet. Hence the height of the poles are 51.96 feet and the distances of the point from the poles are 30 feet and 90 feet respectively. 8th question. The angles of elevation of the top of the tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meters and 9 meters from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Find the height of the tower. Now draw a figure. Draw one vertical line. Now here distance is from first point 4 meters. Draw other vertical line from here to here. The base length is 9 meters. Total length is from here to here is 9 meters. Here total length is 9 meters. The angle of elevation. Here angles are complementary, which means complementary angles is sum of two angles is sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees are complementary angles. If I assume this angle is theta, then other angle is 90 minus theta. Here this angle is 90 minus theta. Here write the names of vertices. This one is A, here B, this one C, this one D. Now write the given data. Here we assume AB is h meters. Let height of the tower is equal to AB is equal to h meters and BC is equal to 4 meters, BD is equal to 9 meters. Angle ACB is equal to theta, angle ADB is equal to 90 minus theta. In triangle ABC, for that angle theta, we have opposite side h meter and adjacent side. So we take tan ratio. Tan theta is equal to AB by BC. Here tan theta is equal to here AB h and BC is equal to 4. This is equation number 1. In triangle ADB, here also for the angle 90 minus theta we have adjacent side and we need and opposite side. So we take tan theta. Tan of 90 minus theta is equal to AB by BD. Here tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. AB h and BD is 9 meters. This is assume equation number 2. Here multiply equation 1 and 2. Then tan theta, write LHS values into cot theta is equal to write RHS value h by 4 multiply RHS values h by 4 into h by 9. Here tan theta, we can write cot theta as 1 by tan theta. Here h into h square, 9 into 4 36, tan theta cancel. So write the remaining values 1 into h square by 36. Transpose 36 from RHS to LHS, then 36 into 1 36 is equal to h square. We can write h square as h square is equal to 36. Here h is equal to square root of 36. H is equal to 6. Therefore height of the tower is 6 meters. The angle of ninth question, the angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation of the changes to 30 degrees. If the jet plane is flying at a constant height of 1500 root 3 meters, find the speed of the jet plane. Here root 3 value is 1.732. Here we need to find the speed of the jet plane. In this question we have time and we need to find distance. Here speed is equal to distance by time. Now draw a figure. The flight is flying at the height of 1500 root 3 meters. Here flight is flying. Now angle of elevation to the ground is 60 degrees. Suppose here the ground point. Now angle of elevation with the ground is 60 degrees. The flight is travelled after 15 seconds from here to here, we assume. Now draw one vertical line equal to this line. Now angle of elevation with the ground is 30 degrees from here to here 30 degrees. Now write the names of the vertices. Here A, B, C, D, E. DE length also 1500 root 3. Flight traveled from point B to point D. Here we need to find the length of the CE. We assume this one is x meters. Now write the given data. Let height of the jet plane from the ground is BC is equal to DE is equal to 1500 root 3. Distance travel in 15 seconds x meters. Angle DAE is equal to 30 degrees. Angle BAC is equal to 60 degrees. Now we take triangle DAE. In triangle DAE, for the angle 30 degrees, we have opposite side, and we need to find the adjacent side. For that, we take tan ratio. Tan theta is equal to DE by AE. Tan theta is 30 degrees. DE 1500 root 3. Here write AE as it is. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Here 1500 root 3 by AE. Now do cross multiplication. AE into 1 AE. AE is equal to 1500 root 3 into root 3. Here 1500 root 3 into root 3 3. 1500 into 100 into 3 is 4500. AE is equal to 4500 meters. Now take triangle BAC. In triangle BAC, here tan 60, we have opposite side 1500 root 3. We need to find the adjacent side AC. For that we take tan ratio. Here tan theta is equal to BC by AC. Here theta value is 60 degrees. BC 1500 root 3 by AC. Tan 60 is root 3. 1500 root 3 by AC. Here root 3 cancel. Here remaining values. 1 is equal to 1500 by AC. Here do cross multiplication. Then AC is equal to 1500. Here CE is equal to AE minus AC. Here AE is equal to 4500 minus AE is equal to 1500 meters. Then CE is equal to 3000 meters. Now we get x is equal to 3000 meters. So we get distance. Now we will find speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. Here speed is equal to distance by time. Here distance is 3000 time 15 seconds. 15 1 ja 15 2 ja 30 200. So speed is equal to 200 meter per second. Therefore speed is equal to 200 meter per second. 10th question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the foot of a building is 30 degrees and the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 60 degrees. What is the ratio of heights of the tower and building? Here we need to find the ratio of height of the tower and building. Now draw a figure. Draw two vertical lines. This vertical line we assume building, this vertical line we assume tower. Write the names of these vertical lines: A, B, C, D. Join BD. This is a surface. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 30 degrees. Here write 30 degrees. Here angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Now angle of elevation top of the building from foot of the tower is 60 degrees. Here write 60 degrees. Here angle is 60 degrees. Here height of the tower we assume h, and height of the building is x meters, and distance between the building and tower is y meters. Here h meters. Now write the given data. Let AB is equal to height of the tower h meters, CD is equal to height of the tower building x meters, BD is equal to distance between tower and building is y meters. Here angle CBD is equal to 60 degrees, angle ADB is equal to 30 degrees. First we take angle triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, for the angle 60 degrees we assume opposite side x meters, adjacent side y meters. So here tan theta is equal to CD by BD. Here theta is 60 degrees. Here CD x, BD y. Tan 60 is root 3 x by y. Now in triangle CDB, angle 30 degrees, we have opposite side assume h meters and adjacent side y meters. Here angle theta is equal to 30 degrees. Here AB is equal to h meters, BD is equal to y meters. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Here h by y. Here do cross multiplication. Then root 3 y is equal to x. This is equation number 1. Here do cross multiplication. Then don't do cross multiplication, just transpose y from RHS to LHS. Then y by root 3 is equal to h. This is equation number 2. Divide equation by equation 1. Y by root 3 by root 3y is equal to h by x. We can write now here root 3 by root 3 y now. So we assume here root 3 y by 1. Y by root 3 into reciprocal 1 by root 3 y is equal to h by x. We can write this one h by x is equal to, here cancel y, then 1 by root 3 into root 3, 3. H by x is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore the heights of the tower and building is 1:3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Share this video with your classmates and your friends.